Just because classes have let out for the summer, it doesn't mean maintenance issues will take a break too. At State, we provide chemical cleaning solutions for schools and back them with our dependable service and in-house manufacturing and distribution. So, let's look at how State can help you ace your summer maintenance. A common issue for schools over summer breaks are dry drains. Shut Your Trap is a concentrated, soy-based drain treatment that floats on the surface of drain traps to seal in sewer gases. Formulated with State's SE500 odor-neutralizing technology and a fresh wintergreen fragrance, it forms a barrier that provides continual and effective odor control. It provides long-lasting protection against odors by maintaining a barrier in drain traps when water seals evaporate. Next, let's talk about getting those floors to shine. Our Mighty Sparkle Diamond Pro Floor Care line offers variations ranging from 18% solids to 25% solids, depending on the gloss and durability that will best fit your facility. Now, what about removing hand and fingerprints from windows? Insight delivers instant cleaning action with powerful agents that cut through grease, grime, oil, smoke, and fingerprints. It leaves crystal clear glass surfaces in a single application, making it ideal for a quick, effective cleaning without streaks or residue. Available in ready-to-use spray or aerosol form. If you want your school maintenance report to receive an A+, check out these featured products and find more solutions for your building by visiting www.stateindustrial.com to get in touch with your State representative today.